Alright, what we got here is a 2010 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. Just picked this up. Very good shape. However, something that I've noticed, other than needing a good wash job, is I don't know if you'll see, but underneath the glass, you see there, it's got some kind of smudges on the inside. Well, what I'm going to do is show you how to take this off so that you can clean the inside of the glass. So first thing we got to do, let me get this set up. I might be able to zoom in and get an idea of what's going on here. Hopefully this will work. But you got an Allen wrench, which is a 5/32. You got a little bolt right here to take out. Just like that. And you lift up on this end and push forward and wiggle it at the same time, because it's got these two rubber grommets that fit on two studs that hold it on, and the chrome piece can come off. Then you got your gauge cluster, which you got a grommet here on the end. Kind of lift that up. There we go. And then here on the front, it's the same thing as the chrome piece. Kind of wiggle it back and forth, and it'll slide off of there like that. Then you got one wire connector. Just push the rubber thing down, and I believe right in the middle should be a little tab you push on to unlock it. Let's see if I can get it on my finger here. There we go. That unplugs, and now you got it off. We'll take this over to the bench and take it apart some more. Alright, now just flip it over, and there's little screws that hold the cover on, or should be. So we'll remove these little screws. Just undo the ones on the outside edge. There's one right there in the middle. Don't undo that one. And now, this should come right off of here. Might have to pry a little. There, it just popped off. Nothing holding it down here on the bottom. Other than this rubber grommet might be holding it. Let's see. Yeah, that's what it is. Let's see if we can push this rubber grommet off without doing any damage to it. At least it's still good and pliable. There we go. And now it comes right apart. And now we can get the inside of this glass all cleaned up. It looks like there's just a little bit of dust on the odometer gate or screen. Looks like a little bit right there on top of that. I'll take a little brush and wipe that down good. And there you go. You can also replace these little lights if you got one of them that'll burn out. This is how you get to those. So anyway, let me get this cleaned up and then I'll show you the difference. You can see it's kind of, there's some spots there, there, and there. Looks to me like moisture's gotten in here and kind of mixed with some dust and just left those stains, but get this cleaned up and then I'll bring you right back. Alright, got her all cleaned up nice and good. Those spots are gone. Now I'll just take I got a real soft bristled brush. Just going to wipe this down. You could also use compressed air if you wanted to, I guess, but this will work just as good. Make sure you don't hit the needles and mess any of that up. All we do is put the screws back in, put the rubber grommet back on, and put it back on the bike the same way we took it off. There we go. Ready to get put back on the bike. Well, before I put this all back on, I'm going to give this a good washing. Probably wax it. Actually, I'll give the whole tank a good washing and waxing and the whole bike anyway. Get that all cleaned up. I'll get the gauge and everything put back on and then I'll bring you back. Alright, now she's all washed and shined up and fresh coat of wax on her. Looks a lot better. Now let's get the gauge put back on and see what she looks like. Alright. First thing, plug this back in. It only goes one way. Push it until it clicks. The rubber boot all the way around it. Set it on the pegs. And you take your chrome housing, line those up with the pegs, which is pretty easy to see. Push it on, and then you got your little screw. And there you go. Not that hard to do. Anybody that has dust or anything on the inside of your lens, that's how you can clean it up. Alright, well, that'll probably do it for this video right now anyway. I'll probably have another one once I get this ready to sell. But for now anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.